In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Event Reminder in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an event and make sure Outlook reminds you at just the right time so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website from Microsoft. This will take you to Outlook on the web, which works great on any modern browser. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Outlook interface with Mail, Calendar, and other apps. Next, go to your calendar. Look for the calendar icon along the left side or at the bottom of the screen and select it. This switches you from your inbox to your calendar view, where you can add and manage events. If you land in Mail by default, that's normal. Just click Calendar to continue. Now create something new. Some layouts show a new Mail button prominently. For setting reminders, you want a calendar event instead. If you see New Mail, simply make sure you're in the calendar view and choose the option to create a new calendar event. This opens the event editor. Add a clear title for your event. Keep it descriptive so it's easy to spot later, something like Project Review or Quarterly Budget Check. A good title helps with search and keeps your calendar organized. If there's a notes area, you can add any quick details that will help you remember the context. Invite attendees by typing their email addresses into the attendee field. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. This makes it easy to include teammates or clients, and they'll receive an invitation once you save. Adding attendees also helps Outlook find time slots that work for everyone. At the top of the event editor, click the alarm clock icon. This opens the reminder menu. Here you can choose when Outlook should alert you before the event. Common choices include 15 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 1 hour before, or 2 hours before. Pick the lead time that matches the importance of the event and how much preparation you want. When everything looks good, click Save. Your event is now on the calendar, the reminder is set, and invitations go out if you added attendees. You'll see the event appear in your calendar, and Outlook will notify you at the time you selected. If you ever don't see notifications, double-check your browser and Outlook notification settings later to ensure alerts are allowed. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Now you know how to use Outlook's event reminders to stay organized and on schedule.